Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really looking at how enterprise automation needs to change fast. We're heading towards 2026 and, well, the old ways.
They're just not competitive anymore.
Exactly. Those siloed approaches, they just don't work. So our mission today is to unpack the key strategies needed to make automation broader, more adaptive, and deliver real ROI. And we'll be looking at how tools like ZAPTEST, for instance, fit into this whole picture.
It's really crucial. The goal isn't just more automation. It's got to be smarter, more integrated automation, resilient too.
Resilient, that's a key word.
Definitely. It's about connecting diverse information streams to see what really matters for the business, building something future-proof.
Okay, let's unpack this then. First big strategy, adopting AI-driven automation. This isn't just basic scripting, right?
Not at all.
We're talking AI, especially combined with computer vision, handling tasks that used to need, well, human judgment.
Right, like dynamic UIs.
Yeah, adaptive UI detection, error spotting, even smart documentation. So what's the really disruptive part about computer vision here, beyond just pixels?
Well, what's fascinating is it's not just screen scraping. It's the AI getting semantic understanding.
Semantic understanding. Okay.
Yeah, it figures out what an element is, like a submit button, even if it looks slightly different or moves. A human gets that context, you know?
Right, regardless of color shifts or whatever.
Exactly. Traditional scripts break so easily with updates. But AI-driven computer vision, like what ZAPTEST uses, adapts. It makes automating those tricky dynamic processes actually feasible and scalable.
That deeper understanding, yeah, that's a game changer. But powerful AI needs to be, well, usable everywhere, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Which brings us straight to strategy number 2, investing in cross-platform, one-script execution. Think about the sheer headache this avoids.
Well, it's huge for large organizations.
Instead of separate scripts for web, mobile, desktop, different OSs, you write it once. One script runs everywhere. What are the maybe hidden complexities this one script idea solves?
Well, it hits development cycles and how you use your resources.
Yeah.
The hidden thing isn't just writing scripts, it's the maintenance.
The maintenance costs.
It grows exponentially. Every update, every fix across every platform, you're duplicating effort constantly. One script execution, and yeah, ZAPTEST is a key example here. It streamlines all that.
Frees up engineers.
Exactly. Frees them up from just porting stuff, gets products out faster. You leverage one core asset everywhere.
Makes sense. Okay, so we have AI, we have cross-platform, but they can't just be islands, right, for enterprise scale.
No, you need structure.
Which leads us to building an RPA center of excellence, a COE. This is about moving beyond just, scattered RPA bots.
Taking it seriously, strategically.
Right, scaling it across whole departments, finance, HR, supply chain, standardizing things, sharing automation assets. What's a practical problem you see without a COE?
Well, this raises that important governance question. Without a COE, you often get what's called shadow IT automation.
Shadow IT.
Yeah, different teams building their own bots, often doing the same thing,
Yeah.
maybe incompatible.
Yeah.
Got a waste and a maintenance nightmare later. A COE brings governance, best practices, a shared library.
Okay.
And platforms designed for central management, again, like ZAPTEST, they really help enable that COE model. Makes sharing efficient, stops that duplication.
Got it. So bringing these pieces together, AI, RPA, testing, leads us to hyperautomation.
A big picture.
Yeah, automating basically everything you reasonably can by combining test automation, RPA, AI, all in one unified platform. The goal, big ROI.
All right.
Our sources mention up to 10x ROI, citing ZAPTEST examples. What makes that exponential, though, not just incremental?
Hyperautomation works because of the synergy, the feedback loops.
Okay.
AI makes RPA smarter. RPA frees up people for better test automation. It builds on itself. You're not just automating tasks, you're automating the process of automation.
Automated automation itself.
Right. And a unified platform like ZAPTEST is built for that kind of holistic integration. That's how you get those really big exponential gains. It's orchestration.
Okay, final piece of the puzzle. Secure scalability while fixing costs. This sounds critical for budget holders.
Non-negotiable for enterprises.
You need tools, licenses that can scale up or down without the budget just exploding predictably, predictable pricing. What happens if they don't have that?
It stifles innovation, basically. Without cost predictability, companies just hesitate. They fear runaway costs if they really invest in scaling automation.
Holds them back.
Totally. So a model like ZAPTEST offers, an enterprise fixed cost license for unlimited use that removes a massive barrier. Companies can scale confidently, knowing the costs are under control.
Right. So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway for you, the listener, planning for 2026?
Well, the message is pretty clear, isn't it?
I think so. Your automation strategy has to be smarter, much more integrated, and resilient. Unified platforms are key, combining AI, RPA, cross-platform testing, and the focus. It's clearly on ROI, less tool mess, lower maintenance, and just faster deployment.
And maybe a final thought to leave you with.
Yeah.
Don't just think about what you can automate. Think about how you architect it all.
That structure.
Yeah. How could unifying all those separate efforts, maybe with a platform built for it, truly transform your efficiency,
Yeah.
your innovation? That's the question to really chew on.